Good afternoon, this is Chandler with Old Salt Marine in Palmetto, Florida. Today we're at the annual Fire Charity Fishing Tournament at Palmetto Boat Ramp. Today we're more than happy to be able to donate a boat for auction, as well as take one of our Twin V 280 boats out for the shotgun start and carry all the committee members out there and check everybody in. Being that we're new in this area, we're more than happy to get involved with the community, and we thought this would be a great way. The fire charity benefits burn victims and their families across the country, and we just thought it was a great way to put our stamp on the community, and we feel that we're going to continue to do this as the years go by. So come by and see us, ask us about fire charity. We'll be down here next year as well, and we're happy to be here.
Old Salt Marine donated this boat, motor, and trailer to us for free through live auction. Pretty awesome. Thank you, Old Salt. Thank you, Donna. You can hide all you want to, but we love you and we see you. So you guys aren't about to believe. Listen, there's a lot of cool stuff that happens here. DJ just offered $18,000 and then said he's going to give it away. Hey Don, the only reason I'm bidding on this to give this away is because you helped me out. Dude, that's amazing. This family deserves to get on the water.